Next we'll see how to do the parametric analysis for this BLDC machine. See, in the performance parameters, that is, go to RM expert, results, create RM expert report, rectangular plot, domain electric degree. On the x-axis you can have electric degree. See, in this torque, click the torque here, you have got a parameter called as the cogging torque. Now let us see how the graph of the cogging torque versus electric degrees, that is theta, will be. So this is the graph of cogging torque versus theta. The cogging torque in the BLDC motor is a torque which will prevent the motor from starting sometimes, which causes the phenomena of cogging. So the cogging torque should be maintained at a minimum value. The cogging torque can be minimized by changing the value of pole embrace in the machine. So first let us see what is meant by pole embrace. See, in the machine input data, you have got here you have got the option pole. Double click the pole. Here the value of pole embrace is given to be 0.7. So what is that pole embrace? See, this is the diagram of the rotor with the pole embrace 0.7. Now let us change this pole embrace to 0.5 and see what change occurs. 0.5. Click OK. See, you can see that the pole arc is reduced. So the pole embrace represents the pole arc. If the pole embrace is higher, the pole arc will be more. If the pole embrace is lesser, the pole arc will be lesser. And the value of cogging torque depends upon the pole embrace. So now we are going to do parametric analysis and find out the value of the pole embrace for which the cogging torque will be minimum. So for that we have to set up the pole embrace parameter to vary from 0.55 to 0.7. So first let us set the pole embrace to 0.65 and check what is the value of the cogging torque. 0.65. Okay. So again go to RM expert, validation check, analyze all. Now see the cogging torque. In the XY plot 2 we have got the cogging torque. You can see that for pole embrace 0.65 the cogging torque is 500. Previously when the pole embrace was 0.7 we have got a higher cogging torque, and now with pole embrace 0.65 the cogging torque is maximum cogging torque is 500. Now let us do the parametric analysis for this cogging torque. The cogging torque varies with the parameter pole embrace. Let us do the parametric analysis for the cogging torque. For that, first let us set the parameter for pole embrace. Again, double click this pole, and instead of giving a value, now what you are going to do is here type POLE type the value pole embrace, then just click OK. and the add variable window, give the value as 0.55. The starting value for the pole embrace is 0.55. Then press OK. Then here also press OK. Now we have set the value of pole embrace to 0.55. Now we are going to change this value from 0.55 to 0.75 and do the analysis for all the values from 0.55 to 0.75 and find out for which value of pole embrace the cogging torque is minimum. For that, to do the parametric sweep analysis, that is the parameter is swept from 0.55 to 0.75. To do the parametric sweep analysis, select the menu RM Expert, here optometric analysis, and in that add parametric. Here you select add, the add option you select. So the variable is pole embrace, then the variation is linear step variation. Start value you can give it as 0.55. Stop value give it as 0.75. In steps of 0.05, select add, press OK. Now in this window, setup sweep analysis window, if you click the table, you can see that the pole embrace value now is going to vary from 0.55 to 0.75 in steps of 0.05. Next, select the calculations tab and click setup calculations, and the add or edit calculation window, select the category torque, cogging torque parameter, select add calculation. So now you are going to calculate the cogging torque parameter for different values of pole embrace. Press done and close that window. Press OK to close the setup sweep analysis window. Next, to run this parametric analysis, expand the project manager. Here you can see optometrics. Expand this optometrics. Then right click on the parametric setup 1. Then do the analysis. See, the analysis will be done for all the value of pole embraces, and the cogging torque will be calculated for all the value of pole embraces from 0.55 to 0.75, and the graph of cogging torque versus pole embrace can be created. So to view the parametric analysis result, select RM Expert, Results, create RM Expert report, rectangular plot. So the domain, you have to click parameter. Parameter means pole embrace. Category is again, we are going to see the torque, cogging torque parameter. Select new report. So now we will be getting the graph like this. So you can see the graph of cogging torque versus pole embrace. So here you can see that the minimum value of the pole embrace is varying from 0.55 to 0.75. The cogging torque is minimum for a value of pole embrace of 0.65. We can still fine tune and find out the exact value of pole embrace at which the torque is minimum. For that we have to do the tuning analysis.